Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Since the Mavic Pro crash, since as you know that the Mavic Pro itself has been recovered, Alhamdulillah. But in my previous video, I just has noticed that there was some issue with my camera lens. There was some moisture, so it was gone, and then the next day it was appeared again. So what I did actually, so I did hair blower. I have tried to give them but little bit on the distance that I have give the ventilation to all the way down. And then after this silica gel, which normally you can find it in the medicine, so I had just put it like maybe 3-4 days inside, so it has a positive result. So all the moisture it has been gone, and I had flew this drone yesterday. It was amazing result, so you can have some photos. And in the meanwhile I will try to we will go into the outdoor area and we will try again how's the condition of the Mavic Pro itself, and hopefully it will be much more better clarity. As I had noticed yesterday, it was completely dry, the moisture, and it was perfectly well. So the second issue with my infected battery at the time of crash, this battery I was using in the Mavic Pro, so this is not functioning at all. Even it's not charging, even though there was 2 points at the time of crash, and it's decreasing the power itself. So just I'm going to do one small test. So I'm going to plug, this is the healthy battery, so I'm going to put actually in the front of you, and this is my GoPro charging. So this is the battery to power bank adapter. So I'm going to plug here with a fresh battery. So let's see. Sorry. There we go. So as you can see that is getting charged my battery bank for the GoPro, and my phone also is charging, but it's showing some an accessory anyway. So it's giving current, but whereas I will off. This is the first time actually I'm going to through this battery to power bank, so it's gone. So I'm going to plug again back, and let's see if it's going to supply current or not. So far there is no current. So still I'm suffering a problems with the battery itself, but alhamdulillah the lens itself is perfect. So we are going in a while with small flight, so let's see. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I am going to fly this drone to check it out the lens clarity. So here I am in the open area right now. So I just came here in just a very silent place. It's very nice. So I'm just going to turn on the Mavic. So
has been updated.
So ready to go, GPS is on. So here we go. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Take off. The home point has been updated.
So as you can see, as so far is the lens clarity is perfect. So I'm going down. As you can see that. So I will just fly around maybe like 5 to 10 minutes. I have a battery 71%. So let's see. So here we are actually. So in between, I don't know that it was disconnected the craft between my phone, but the remote was connected, but I don't know what is the reason. So I bring it down, I connect it again. So there is some still issues are happening. So I don't know what is bothering the things. Aircraft disconnected, no image transmission. So landing, I don't know, this aircraft disconnected. So still there are some issues is happening. I'm going to shut down the remote and let's see, I will connect again. What is the problem? GPS mode ready to go. So let's shoot in the air again. I will just not go much more up. So let's see. So I'm just observing that it's going to disconnect again or not. So I have 25% battery. We will wait for the battery beep. So let's see if it's going to disconnect again or not. The signal strength is good, 24% battery left over. Low battery warning raised. So we will wait a little bit more. But the good thing, there is no moisture on the lens so far, so this is a good sign, which I was worried before. So I will go closer to the lens again to have a look again once more. There is still slightly moisture on the lens as well. So let us go down. So I mean, after crash, still I'm not able to get perfect drone back. So I'm going to landing. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you guys like my video. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel, and because I'm giving you the real image, I'm not lying or not fake news. So whatever is happened, I'm very transparent and crystal clear to you guys. So mostly you are watching so many videos in the YouTube itself. The people they had recovered, so it has recovered, but there are still issues. So one of the battery which was already at the time of crash is not working anymore. Then the camera lens has a moisture. It's gone, but still there is minor, means I have to keep this drone little bit more on to rest, maybe month, 2 months, I never know. And now the another issue, after flying like maybe 10 minutes, it's disconnected from the remote, from the phone itself. Remote still what it was okay. So these are the updates after the crash Mavic Pro. Hope you guys stay blessed and healthy. Assalamu alaikum.